Hello, my name is Michael Glowacki, and I've been invited back to Massachusetts to present at the National Guild of Hypnotists Convention and Educational Conference. On Sunday, August 14th at 3 p.m., I will be sharing with you an educational 1 hour seminar about how to improve your relationships while helping your clients change theirs, using the most misunderstood tools to help your clients. Now, we'll be working on your business relationships and your clients' personal or business relationships, but basically in the context of everyday programs like weight loss, smoking, stress relief. So you won't need a license, but these techniques have actually been developed in conjunction with other hypnotists and licensed track professionals. So there's a little more involved with influencing others than you may have learned before. So I'll share this with you at 3 p.m. on Sunday.